Hi, I'm Jeremy Hawes with ARCS Self-Defense and Combatives. I get a lot of different questions that have been sent in through email and various other places asking, why me? So why should they learn from Jeremy Hawes? Why should they learn the Krav Maga that I teach? Why should they be interested in how ours is different, how it's better, or how it compares to other styles? So we want to take a couple of minutes and just talk to you briefly about really who I am, where I've come from, my past experience, and what it is that we do and what we have to offer that is different than the other stuff that's out there available through books and DVDs and in-person training. So with all that being said, the first thing is me. Why Jeremy? Why learn from Jeremy Hawes? Well, for years and years and years, I have been a martial artist. I've studied karate and judo and jiu-jitsu and various other styles, everything from boxing to Muay Thai and then Krav Maga itself. And so I've got a kind of a combination of a lot of those different things that have all been melded together so I can find out what works, what doesn't, and why certain things work the way that they do. So for the past 30 years, since the very, very early 80s, I've been studying those things. I've come to find out that all of it will work for different people, different ways. And so you have to kind of find what suits you, which is why I really like Krav Maga, is it's got the flexibility to allow the training to suit the student and not trying to change the student to suit the training. With that said, the Krav Maga that we teach focuses heavily on your reflexes. Again, through all the martial arts and stuff, we started to see that even somebody who's trained for 30 years still has a natural startle or a natural flinch reflex no matter how much training they've done. So to believe that you can train out a reflex is just absolutely ludicrous. It's crazy to think that you can get rid of your reflexes so that you can just get to a technique. So in that, we try to use that reflex, that instinctual self-preservation reflex, as a bridge into combatives training. So with the martial arts background that I've just mentioned, the 30 years and various styles of doing that, along with that, shortly thereafter, I had graduated from school and was in college. I went into the military, so I've spent 10 years in the military and have deployed and have made contacts all across the world with various people, which led me into the ability to train with some Israelis in Israel while working there as a contractor. And they provided training to me. They kind of brought me in and just allowed me to train with them and taught me and shared with me things that I was doing and how it could be tweaked to suit the Krav Maga combatives philosophy. Not that it's a rigid style, that it's a philosophy of how to fight and how to actually deal with an adversary in combat. So they brought me in to teach that, and in turn we're using my expertise in other styles of martial arts to enhance the Krav Maga that some of their instructors were already using, in that maybe they looked at a different grip or a different body position that they could get an advantage out of while applying, again, that same combatives philosophy, the same techniques. So it was a mutual partnership in that regard, that I was able to help them, they were able to help me, and it kind of shed a different light on the usage maybe of combatives, as if you would, that I didn't always get from the traditional martial arts. It was lost. It was there, it was just lost. So with all that being said, we've got the reflexes that I mentioned that we can't out-train of the traditional martial arts. We use that reflex to bridge into the combatives. And then after all of that, my whole life's purpose from the time I was a little kid was I wanted to help people, hence the military. So it was a natural progression for me to come into law enforcement. That's where I've spent most of my time at, is working now in law enforcement. And I love the training aspect in law enforcement where I can train recruits. So that's what I do. I work as a law enforcement trainer, as a full-time commissioned law enforcement officer, but work to train recruits and how to be able to handle themselves, how to survive violent encounters with the antisocial or asocial violence that you'll experience in the real world when it comes to dealing with a criminal, and how they have to overcome through mindset and training the ability to flip the switch and become violent and effective to survive an encounter with a violent sociopath or a violent psychopath on the street. With all of that going on, I've become somewhat of an expert in regards to the use of force scenarios, the way the criminal mind works when it comes to violence, the way us as reasonable civilians, our mind works when it comes to violence. And so I've been brought to various other locations in our state, as well as places out of state, to be a master instructor, to literally certify and teach other people who are going to be instructors, other people who are going to be trainers, how to effectively teach their students how to survive those types of attacks. All of that melds together and you wad it all up in a nice, neat little ball, and we end up with the ARCS, which is the Automatic Reflex Combat Systems method of teaching Krav Maga, or military close quarters combatives. So in a nutshell, why me? It's all of the stuff that I bring to the table that you'll find doesn't happen in many people, just haven't had the chance or the luck to get the experiences that I have. And I'm not beholden to a specific organization that says I must teach this way and it must take this long to progress a student. I can teach it so that the student can be combat effective more quickly, because it's not about keeping a student on enrollment to collect monthly dues to pay rent at a commercial school or a commercial dojo or training facility, if you will. So that's it shortly. That's why Jeremy, that's why ARC Self-Defense, and I hope to see you soon.